Okay, back on the 72 Plymouth Duster. Today I'm taking a look at putting on the outer upholstery on a passenger seat. The old vinyl one looks like this. And then the new upholstery is going to be black instead of white, and with some yellow piping as well. On the back, we were able to engrave the Jack's Custom Restoration logo. Okay, side by side, the new upholstery for the Duster seat and the old. And then now the bucket seat of the bottom half is done. And you can see the original is pretty torn up on the other seat here. So that's basically what these seats look like, and now they'll be getting installed for the summer on the Duster, looking like this and like that. And we'll see how it looks with the interior fully assembled. Okay, progress report. The two seats are upholstered up, all wrapped up and assembled. Ready for the seat rails. Okay, today the differential for the Duster is out of the car. Right here you can see the rear end pumpkin kind of set up. This is a new sure grip for 8 3/4 rear end, as well as I swapped over the ring gear and pinion to a 3:3 gear ratio. This thing has been set up over the past week. Pinion, preload, and backlash has been set. Here I have a minor outer axle seal that will be getting put into the rear end. So the axles are pulled out a couple inches so the pumpkin could drop out. And on the passenger side, or the driver's side here, is where that outer seal, this axle will get pulled out, and then that axle seal will go right in here. And it'll ride, I believe, on this shiny bit here, just to seal any leaks. Brake pads are still in good condition and everything.